A very good morning, students. So today I am going to tell you about the topic that is the ideal solution in a solution chapter. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of the ideal solution. What is the definition, proper definition of the ideal solution. So here it is said, it is defined as a solution which obeys Raoult's law. Means is this, in the ideal solution always we are using the Raoult's law. Okay. Means is this, it is defined in easy condition, if we will say in a easy words, that it obeys the Raoult's law at exactly over the entire range of concentration. Means is this, what is the concentration is exact. On that exact concentration we obey the Raoult's law. This is said to be the ideal solution. Fine. So definition is this one. After this we are using the characteristics. I think so it is visible to you all. After this we are using the characteristics. Heat change on mixing is 0. When the word came heat, heat means delta H. Okay. So delta H is equals to 0. Delta V mix is equals to 0. When WV will come, it means it is the volume. So volume changes on mixing is 0. Here delta H is 0. H came because of the heat and delta V came because of the volume. PS. Now we are using the word here PS. PS is the partial pressure of solution. So it is equals to PA naught XA plus PV naught XV. When we are using the graph, I will show you. At that time it is coming A naught and XA. Means we have taken the two vehicles and we have given the name PA and PV. XA and XV we will give any other name also. Don't think that we are giving only A and B. Now I have made two beakers. In those beakers I have filled it with the water. One name I have put it A, second name I have put it B. So it is said to be the PA naught. Next is PV naught. When these solutions, both the solutions are joined together in a single beaker, so what will happen? A naught will also mix in a B naught. So here it can be say PA naught plus PV naught. Means both are mixed together. Here it will form A plus B. Now in easy way we can say partial pressure of A and partial pressure of B. This is come as this one, last one beaker is said to be the partial pressure of A as well as the partial pressure of B. Something which is important, those things also you have to write down in your copies. We can say heat changes is 0. You can see here heat change is 0. Means delta H is equals to 0. Second point, there is no change in magnitude of attractive forces. Now when the attractive forces are of many types. One force is there which is called as an attractive force. Attractive force, as an example if I will tell to you, like magnet and iron. When we are close to the magnet iron, they are stick in that. So here they are saying the magnitude, there is no change in the magnitude as well as there is no change in the direction when the attractive forces is there in the two components present. When the components are present, there is no change in the magnitude. Next point we are telling to you, this one the next point. The heat change on mixing, that is delta H in such solution must be 0. In this situation, when the magnitude we are taking, at that time it is delta H is 0. Next we are telling you here. So they may tell about the volume change on mixing is 0. Already I have told to you. An ideal solution, the volume of the solution is sum of the volume of component. Now here they are saying volume of the component sum. Like sum we are doing like VA plus VV is equals to VS total, or we can write it VT. Okay. So this is, we can say volume change on mixing is 0, that is delta V is equals to 0. The volume of the solution is sum of the volume of the component. Now here in this one situation we have taken the volume of the component, that is PA naught and PV naught. So we have to mix both the things. PA naught plus PV naught equals to P T also we can write because of total, or we can write PS, solution also we can write. Before mixing, that is there is no change in volume on mixing, delta V is 0. After this, if AB equals to 1, this is very important. In a note you can write down AB is equals to 1. If we are taking AB, then here A dash is coming and BB dash is coming. So then volume of solution will not change. If this condition came at that time, volume is not change. If the condition like A and BB at that time in the volume, what happens at that time, that is volume will not change in solution. If only A, B is given, at that time we will not change the solution. But with A, B, we are giving A minus B, means A and B both we will give. At that time, the solution may change. Volume will not change in that type of solution. We can say delta mix is not change. Next we are telling to you about this also you can write down in a note. When we are writing down in a note, you can write down A-B interaction is exactly equal to AA-BB interaction. Okay, this I have told to you. Then we have taken same values AA and BB. Okay, so here I have put it the values A for 10 joules, B 10 joules. Now this is AB also we have taken 10 joules. Now 2 into 10 it form here 20 joules. Some examples conditions are coming on this ideal solution: anhexane and heptane, benzene and toluene, methyl chloride, bromoethane and iodoethane, ethyl chloride, CCl4, SiCl4. CCl4, SiCl4 is also be the example of ideal solution. Now last one step is left, that is the graph, which is very important. Now how you can make this graph? This is not be a straight line. First of all, you have to make this line straight. Next, from this line you put it here, it will touch the corners. From all the side it will touch the corners. Here also I have made, then it touch the corners. Now what we can say, in the inside line we are writing A and B. Like here I have written partial pressure of A, first one. Second one, partial pressure of B. In upper side I have written vapor VP full solution, means A also will come here, B also will come here, or we can say PS is equals to PA plus PV also we can write down. So here now in this one side XA is equals to 0. Then here we will take XA is equals to 1. If here we have taken XB is equals to 1, here we have taken XB is equals to 0. It means if on a one side we will take 0, on the second hand side we will take as a 1. So volume is also be there. Okay, and this is the partial pressure of A and partial pressure of B. So students, these all things you have to write down in your classwork copy. One more time I will show you. You can see it. I can show you the full, so that it is, you can write down nicely in your copies. Second page. Now the graph is left. You can check the but graph, make it properly. Very important it is. So students, today's lecture is finished, and now in the next time I will tell to you about the ideal solution. Thank you students, and have a nice day.